Size is not everything. It's all about how you use it, especially when it comes with the professional Wattsan 0503 laser engraver. My name is Anthony and you are watching Virmer. And today we are reviewing the Wattsan 0503. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and let's dive in. This desktop model is ideal for engraving and cutting, suitable for both hobbies and mass production. It offers a 500 by 300 millimeters working area equipped with a standard 60-watt laser tube. This allows you to engrave and cut wood, acrylic, plastic, rubber, leather, textiles, and fur. So what sets the Wattsan 0503 apart of its competitors? Just take a look at this machine bed. It has an internally reinforced frame and thick casing walls, providing maximum stability and vibration damping during the operation. The gantry is made of lightweight, durable aluminum, reinforced at the corners, offering a reliable support for laser head movements. Three-phase stepper motors are installed here. Unlike similar machines that typically use two-phase motors, these provide a superior precision and a smoother motion. Additionally, the machine features a bell reducer with a 4:1 ratio, reducing stress on the motors and enhancing operational accuracy. The machine uses a high-quality 3M belts with increased tooth size, significantly extending their lifespan. Choosing such components results from Wattsan's 20 years of industry experience. Their dedicated R&D department integrate the latest advance in engineering and incorporate feedback from global customers like you, which dealers worldwide, including Virmer in Europe, share regularly. Wattsan has implemented over 50 improvements to their machine through this collaborative approach. Back to the 0503. Wattsan 0503 features a wide nozzle designed for a better airflow over the working area. Combustion byproducts are quickly removed, preventing residuals build up on materials. The standard Wattsan 0503 includes anodized blade, effectively protecting your materials from laser backfiring from below. Just remember to clean them regularly to prevent any issue. You can watch our maintenance video right here or via the link in the description. Clients often choose honeycomb tables over the blades for this particular model, as they are better suited for thin materials or intricate layouts. Honeycomb tables are also convenient as a replaceable accessories. Find out more right here. A manual lifting table at an extra 200 millimeters height, allowing you to install on a small rotary device or engrave thick materials. This feature is rare in small laser machines, but the Wattsan 0503 has it. Should you encounter any challenges, Virmer service team is always ready to assist you with installations, maintenance, or repairs. Our engineers provide CNC training in 7 languages across Europe. If you need a machine with a different dimensions or power, reach out our managers for guidance over the phone, or visit our showroom in the Netherlands to see our machines in action. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comment below. My name is Anthony and this is Virmer. Subscribe and like this video to catch the next one. See you!